So guys, I just came out with just €2 and I requested him to...
Niente, loco.
Ah, mamma mia, grazie.
Ciao,
Sei
grazie.
gentile,
Ciao.
grazie, grazie. So guys, he just gave me these free of charge because I didn't go out with money. I was just having €2 in my pocket. And what I did was like, I told him like I need a gelato with this ice cream, and I asked him about the cost. So it started from €3 above. The price started somewhere from €3 above, and he just asked me like, he just told me no problem, you can just take it. Yeah, and I tried to give him I tried to give him money. He refused, man. He said I should just take it free of charge. Man, this really touched me because, oh my goodness, I've been treated like this so many times in Italy. Yeah, so many times. This is not the first time. So guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Rivoli. Today I am in Rivoli. So we're actually going to explore how people spend their summer weekend over here. Yeah, we will be having a walking tour and exploring exactly. So I'm in a town called Rivoli. Rivoli is a town in the metropolitan city of Turin. Yeah, so welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. It's Adventures with Rivoli. So guys, this town is it's such a beautiful town here. It's just like many people are indoors. That's what I guess. But we have such an amazing buildings here. I I have actually been here. Like I made a video about this town some time back. Yeah, I don't know if you've not watched that. If you've not watched it, go through my videos, go through my uploads. Yeah, you would see some of the videos that I made about this town. That was some months back, perhaps 2 months back. Yeah. So it's a beautiful town anyway. The town is clean, and look at the streets. They are all clean, and you can see flowers everywhere. Look at that. Look at this guy. So it's such a beautiful town in here. And I love the vibe around here. Yeah. It's not a town that is overcrowded. Yeah. Not like bigger cities like Turin. Yeah. I know this time of the evening, if you're somewhere around Turin, oh my goodness, you'll be seeing a lot of people around. Yeah. So we are here in Rivoli. Yeah. We're actually exploring this town. And seeing exactly like how people spend their summer evening around this end. And also I'll be showing you things like yeah, some beautiful things here. Oh guys, look at that. I think these are for the kids. This is the town center. This is their main town center. So if you want to buy things, yeah, you can come around here to buy things, lady stuff, so a lot of things. So it's such a beautiful summer evening here. Yeah, I hope you enjoying this view. And I think that's the restaurant. Family is going out there with their loved ones to have dinner. Yeah. Wow, beautiful dog. Smiling at me. Those are ladies stuff, you know. And summer creams also, yeah. Yeah, the town is beautiful. I mean, it's well clean. Look at the streets. They are all clean, and it looks really beautiful, classic. So guys, it's Adventures with Rivoli. Yeah, I think we'll be exploring a lot this summer. I'm looking forward to exploring, towns and cities within Italy. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, I think you should just click on the subscription button and then stay connected with me, because I'll be showing you a lot of beautiful things within Italy. So just to remind you, this is an evening walking tour of how people spend their summer weekend around this end. I mean, summer evening weekend. So you can see families out, people walking, having beautiful moment with their loved ones. I think that's one thing I love about summer, you know, because summer is a moment that you can go out, you can just dress anyhow you want and have that beautiful moment, you know. Yeah. In the winter, it's hard for people to go out like this, you know, because the weather is often so cold, and people can stay longer outside. So summer is the best moment. Look at that. And loved ones with their dogs having a beautiful moment, strolling. Yeah guys, it's Adventures with Rivoli. This is just a short video of how people spend their summer weekend, yeah, around this town or within this part of Italy.
Praticamente no, sarebbe come farsi quasi tutto di un'elenza in giornata.
Infatti chiederò a Sara, ci stiamo facendo cosa vuoi fare, cioè questa è una banana, perché secondo me il set di fare vacanza può fare secondo me altri come se uno pensa a trovare
A beautiful evening walk here in Rivoli. So guys, we are here in Rivoli. Mi scusi, c'è gelato? Ciao, ciao. C'è gelato?
Lo yogurt io.
Ah, yogurt.
Sì.
Ma costa quando?
Guarda, 3,50, 3 euro, 4 euro.
Ah, ma non c'è da 2 euro? Ah, ok, va bene.
Devo fatto mangiare.
Ah, ok, grazie. So guys, I just came out with just 2 euro and I requested him to...
Niente, loco.
Ah, mamma mia, grazie.
Ciao,
Sei
grazie.
gentile,
Ciao.
grazie. So guys, he just gave me these free of charge because I didn't go out with money. I was just having €2 in my pocket, and what I did was like I told him like I need a gelato with this ice cream, and I asked him about the cost. So it started from €3 above. Started the price started somewhere from €3 above, and he just asked me like he just told me no problem, you can just take it. Yeah, and I tried to give him I tried to give him money. He refused, man. He said I should just take it free of charge. Man, this really touched me because oh my goodness, I've been treated like this so many times in Italy. Yeah, so many times. This is not the first time. Treat like I didn't pay anything. He just asked me to. I gave him the money. Like I gave him €2, and he just told me, no, 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 no. You don't have to pay. Go with the money. It's okay. Yeah, you don't need to pay. I mean, I've actually been treated this way several times. I remember the other day when I went to a supermarket, and a lady just saw me. A lady just met me. I don't know. I never knew this lady. We've never met before. You understand? And she just asked me like, she just greeted me first, and I replied back, and she told me, uh, "You can buy anything. You can take anything that you want, and I will pay it." I was like, that day I nearly cried, man, because I mean, sometimes I think like I don't deserve, I mean, treatments like that. Sometimes I don't know how it, and that was not the first time. The lady told me pick up everything, anything that you want, any food item. This was last year in the summer, yeah. And man, I refused at first, but she told me like, no, you have to take it. I will cover it, yeah. So I took some food items and things like that because that was my main purpose of there. I went there to buy foodstuffs, and she covered it. To be honest, she just paid the bill. Yeah, and today is like I just went out with €2 because I'm not expecting like to buy anything. Yeah, and also I didn't come with my card. So what happened is like I'm having €2. Went into the shop, talking to to this gentleman like, do you have any ice cream of €2? And he said no, it's from €3 above. And he just said no, okay, let me give you an ice cream. And I tried to give him the €2, and he said no, you don't have to worry about the €2. Take it, I give it to you free of charge. So that's Italy, you know. Beautiful. You have some great people around here, to be honest. Yeah, great people around here. I've been coming across to amazing people, you know. Yeah, though I do not actually like receiving free things from people, but when I actually when people treated me this way, sometimes it makes me feel like mama mia. I felt so much like, oh my goodness. So that's it. It's Adventures with Urazi. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe.